Hi, Peter.
Hello.
Was I hi to Nana Claire?
Hi, Nana.
Does she still watch or no? She gave up on me. I'm like a degenerate.
She's recovering from some surgery right now.
Oh.
So maybe she's.
We wish her a speedy recovery, Nana Claire. Peter.
Yep.
Shit. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, shit. What the? Oh, my God. Sabotage.
I'll leave it for you.
Yeah. All right. When's the last time you used a urinal?
I think in the airport.
Yeah? When's the last time you fixed one?
Never, actually.
Never?
Yeah.
First time for everything. You guys got some stoppages here. I guess employees must wash hands after leaving the bathroom, but man, that's some dirty water. You know why it's dirty? Because all that slime that's inside the pipes. You got to run all the sinks.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Run all the sinks in the building. Okay. Especially before you start prepping the produce.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Make sure they do that.
Okay.
Okay. All right, Peter. Here is a Zern. Right? Here's a Zern urinal flushometer. Okay? We don't really work on this too much. We do a lot of residential, right? But let me tell you something. If that guy beat EK, you know, he's an attorney for someone who's suing, you know, Pipe Doctor and me, right? I bet you he uses these. Because he lives, you know, he works in a big giant office building.
Oh, probably.
You know, and that's the closest he's going to see to a urinal. Probably. I would like to personally show him one. Right? Maybe he can work a day with me, and that would be a great ride along. And imagine a partner of a major law firm, right, would ride along with me for a day. Maybe then he would realize that maybe I should fire my client. But you know what? I don't think he puts his money over his ethics. If you know a product is garbage, well, anyway. Okay, we need to get a flat screwdriver. We're going to close a valve right here. There's a valve right there. Okay. And we're going to close that clockwise. Like lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. See? Keep going. You probably should get the 10 and 1.
Yeah, it's a little fun.
Actually, it's already off. maybe it was closed already. Maybe someone closed it. I'm going to guess someone closed it already. You know, I think we're going to have an issue, though.
Why do you say that?
Because we re-energized the water in the building already. Right? And I probably want to change this valve. But what is that? That is copper right there. Is that copper or brass? No, that's brass. That's brass. That's 1-inch brass. All right. Okay. A few components right here. This is the valve, like a stop. All right. This is the actual flushometer itself. I can see it spins off. And this is a connection for, there's a diaphragm, not a diaphragm, but there's a vacuum breaker here. All right, you'll see that in a minute. So let's get the flat adjustable wrench. We'll take this off so we don't scratch the finish, even though here it doesn't really matter, but we don't scratch the finish. That's not going to be big enough. You're going to probably need the biggest one. Oh, get the biggest one, Peter. Oh. I know, I just can't help myself sometimes. No, right here. Taking that off.
I think the biggest one is big enough.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. All right. So let's get some. We're gonna make it work.
I get a towel?
Yes. I get a towel. All right, and we're gonna protect the threads, and we're going to take that off without scratching the finish, like I just did. I did it, Peter. I did it.
Did it?
Yes, I did it. Oh, I got it out. Oh, see, my screwdriver's got like cocky on it now. Okay, now. Get out. Okay. So let's take this off to the side. Now, this is the spud connection. Let's look at the Sloan box. Let's put this somewhere like on the shelf right there so we can not get it all wet. All right, Peter, we're back. Well, we got a brand new urinal spud. Oh, it don't fit. No bueno. No bueno.
Actually.
No. No bueno. Oh, yeah, no bueno. It's too big. That sucks. It sucks for us because we gave him a flat rate price for the whole job. For the whole job. But you know what? It's only 7:45 in the morning. We've been here since 6 o'clock. We did the backflow prevention device, the 2-inch valve in there, and that's where the cheddar was. And the cheddar. You know, I'm going to use this time to book your tickets to Pennsylvania.
Really?
Yeah, why not? All right, Peter. So while we're waiting for them to come back with the right piece, you know what? We can make ourselves useful. Oh, no, the black thing fell on the floor. Oh, man, I put it in my mouth all the time. All right, so there is the urinal screen, right? You know, sometimes you go into those restaurants and you have to aim at the piece.
Yeah.
All right, so let's move that out of the way. I'm going to use my big, very appropriate screwdriver. The one with no name. See, there's no name on there, BDK. There's no name on there, but there is one. You just don't see it. All right. Okay, let's see. First things first. Let's put this over here. Nice. Comes with, you know, it doesn't come with the carrying case for the urinal, but I figured, we'll buy it. It's nice. It's $30. Okay, you took the little piece off? Okay. So now, pull that end out. Have you used this before? That little plastic piece comes off.
I've seen Mike use one a few times. I think I've seen you use one once.
Okay. The electric one?
Handled one. I've never seen
Oh, okay. Oh, he's back. He's back. Okay, that'll work. Good job.
Thank you.
All right, now, how about you hold the camera? Okay. Up. Up. Oopsie daisy. Okay. Put that little piece off there? Yes, you did. Okay, we have. All right, here we go. I guess it's a lot more than just a urinal stoppage. That's for sure. Yep, no bueno. All right, so we got this connection done. This is tight. That's tight. That's tight. Let's open up the valve. It's still clogged, by the way. Slowly. Okay, keep going. Keep going, go, 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 go. Keep going. Worst comes to worst, it overflows. Is it fully open? Yep. Good. Let's put this back on there.
Oh, okay, so it's like...
It's a cap.
To keep spinning it? I thought it was like...
It'll eventually stop.
Open from...
All right, so there's the clogged bowl. I mean, clogged urinal. And it stops. If it doesn't stop, you take a thing and you hammer it, then like you tap on the top of this, because there's a diaphragm in there that controls the amount of water per flush. Similar to here.
It's going down.
Is it?
See swirling?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Very...
Probably bad venting. Yeah, look at that. All right. So now, this is not actually for it. It goes right there. Look at that.
Urinals don't have overflow?
No. No. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Got ourselves a little urinal rebuild and repair. Learn something new every day, ladies and gentlemen. Learn something new.